Experiencing no audio on your Spectrum cable box can be frustrating. The primary causes are often related to audio output configuration, TV input selection, or PCM settings. First, ensure your HDMI cable is securely connected to both the Spectrum box and your TV, preferably using the HDMI ARC port on your TV for optimal audio return. Power cycle your Spectrum box by unplugging it for 60 seconds, then plug it back in. Next, verify that your TV is set to the correct input source corresponding to the HDMI port your Spectrum box is connected to. Cycle through inputs using your TV remote. Finally, access the Spectrum box's settings, menu, settings, audio, and ensure that PCM is selected as the audio output format, as this is the most compatible setting and bypasses potential codec issues. These initial steps resolve about 70% of reported cases. If initial steps didn't resolve the audio issue, try advanced troubleshooting by disabling and re-enabling HDMI ARC in your TV settings. This helps refresh the audio return channel connection between your TV and devices. Next, check for firmware updates on both your TV and Spectrum cable box. Outdated firmware can cause incompatibilities that lead to audio problems. If using a soundbar, make sure it's properly connected and set to the correct input. Enable PCM mode if possible to ensure compatibility and clear audio output. For persistent issues, use the Spectrum TV app's built-in audio test feature to diagnose output mismatches and identify specific problems with your setup. Looking ahead, physical cable box usage is declining in favor of streaming options, which reduces hardware-related audio issues. By 2027, expect more app-integrated experiences featuring AI-driven diagnostics for automated fixes. Wireless audio solutions and advancements in HDMI standards like 2.1 will further minimize cable-related problems, shifting troubleshooting towards software-based solutions.